Today we're going to show you guys how to install a Cortex screw and plug. First step, pre-drill your hole. Second step, put the screw in the pre-drilled hole. Grab our impact. Screw the screw in the hole. Let's get a better shot of that. Then we get our plug. Grab a plug, Aiden. Show them the grain line on the camera. So your plug has grain, and you want to line your grain up with the grain. You want to put it in the right direction. He's going to set that plug in the hole. Grain's going the right way. And you grab a hammer. And then it disappears. And that is how you install Cortex screws with plugs with the Timbertech decking.